The National Ploughing Championships is Ireland's largest agricultural event, showcasing the very best in Irish food, farming and culture. Taking place from the 24th to the 26th of September, up to 180,000 people will gather for the 3 days of the annual Farming Festival. This year's event will be held in Ratheniska, Stradbally, County Laois. The overall event will cover approximately 700 acres, including 150 acres of competitions, 80 acres of trade arenas and demonstrations, and hundreds of acres to accommodate car parking. Over 1,200 exhibitors from all sectors of agribusiness and associated industries will showcase their products and services in areas such as machinery, livestock, finance, co-ops, forestry, bioenergy and advisory services. The exhibition is not just for the farming community. All sectors of Irish society are catered for. There are countless exhibits that will interest all members of the community, young and old, including our indoor trade village with fashion, craft, education, food fairs, lifestyle, tourism and leisure exhibits. Some of the traditional Irish specialist events will include hunt chase, horse show throwing, sheaf tossing, sheepdog trials and vintage exhibitions. September 24th to 26th will see a festival-packed 3 days for all the family at the National Ploughing Championships in Ratheniska, Stradbally, County Laois.